So this came, which I'm pretty pumped about. Let's open this up. I'm excited about this. Some paperwork here. And calendar. That's cool. A Canon calendar. So first, maybe this will give you a hint as to what's in here. This is the BP A60 battery. It's a big box for a battery. You hit a box inside of a box. Good, there's another box. So I got 3 boxes here. I don't know how well you can see that, but let's get box number 1 out of box number 2. So now we're on box number 2. Let's see here. I don't know how I can do this. A box inside of a box. This is the stupidest idea. I don't know why they would do this. This just seems illogical. Seriously, what is the purpose of this? Almost. Give it a handle on the top or something. They're going to put a box inside of another box. Swear to God, if there's another box inside of this box, I'm going to freak out. Alright. Some more papers. Let's get to the good stuff. Ho 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 ho. Alright, good. It's weird. I'm even excited about like this cable. This cable and this cable. Not sure how I'll use it, but it's a nice strap. Some power cables, different charging cables and stuff. Alright, anyway, this is the C200 if you haven't figured that out yet. So this is the arm for the screen. It's plastic, but it feels really nicely made. I like that. I'm excited to get it on there, and looks like it goes around really nicely. Put it on to this top handle here, which is also plastic, you know, for lightweightness, but it is really nice and solid. Feels quality, regardless of the fact that, you know, it's all plastic. It's got a nice little rubber grip. I haven't actually heard people mention that. It's got a nice little rubber, kind of squishy, rubberized grip on the inside of there. It's really nice, feels really good. And there's a hot shoe, or a cold shoe on top of there as well. And then here is the screen. This is actually a good size screen. I think it was 4 inches or something like that. It's a pretty nice size screen. You got some different options for attaching it here down the bottom and on the side. A couple of buttons, a little joystick. I'm excited to see how that looks. There's a little button on the side to mirror the image if you're flipping it over. Cool, I'm excited to see how that looks. But of course, more than that. Oh my God, there's a lot more in here. Alright, let's see. This is I'll leave that in the bag, it's the shock mount for a microphone that you can put on there. This is the rubber eye cup that you can put onto the viewfinder if you want to. There's a couple little screws and stuff in there too, so I'm just going to leave that in the bag for now. This is weight, or you know, that snaps onto the cable. This is the brick for the charger, I assume. Got another kind of brick there. I'll have to look at that closer later, but here is one battery. So I got this package with another larger battery, so that way I can use it like that. And here is the battery charger. So there's that. And last but not least, that is a lot lighter. Like absolutely first reaction that I've had is that is a lot lighter than I expected it to be. Of course, there's nothing on there now besides the handle, the grip, but it is a lot lighter than I expected it to be. I've used this before at Interbee when I went there a couple months ago, but it was on a tripod, so I didn't actually hold it in my hands. Yeah, it's a lot lighter than I expected. I think it's about 1.5 kilograms. I'm not 100% positive if that includes with, you know, all of this stuff on there or not, but I'm sure that this won't make a huge difference. This is all, like I said, it's plastic, so it's pretty light. So this is totally hand-holdable, which is cool. It has a compact enough size, but it's also very, very hand-holdable at this weight. Even with the battery in there and everything on there, it's not going to change a whole lot besides the form factor. So my kids are home. I'm going to cut this short, but I'll have a lot of videos coming about this pretty soon, so stick around if you want to see that. Of course, let me know if you have any questions or anything in particular that you want to see about this camera down below. And if you like this video, thumbs up. If you are happy that I got this, if you're angry that I got this, just give me a thumbs up anyway. And let me know down below if you have any questions. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks.